Hello everybody, today we are going to talk about how to get something from the console input. So we're gonna learn how to get values from the users. In order to do it, we are going to write something like cin, which is abbreviation for console input. So it's the entrance for the data that will come from our users. When we wanted to put something to the console output, we are writing something like cout, and then we added two angle brackets that were pointing to the console output direction, right? And for example, I will send something like test to the console output. But this time we are taking something from that place, right? From the console input. So we are going to write two angle brackets, but they will point to the right, to something that can store values. So we are going to use now variable name after that two angle brackets. Let's create a variable, for example, int a, and now here I can direct something from the console input to the variable named a. So that value is going to be stored in the variable named a. And maybe let's change that guy here. Variable named a equals, and now let's try to compile it. As you can see, now we didn't see that guy here, that's cout. We don't see anything on the console output, and we have got here blinking underscore, which is waiting for us. It is waiting for us to do something, to give something to our variable named a. So I will give it, for example, 10, and now as you can see, variable name a is equal to 10. Now, as you can see, the type of that variable is integer. What will happen if I try to assign not a number, but for example character, for example key? And as you can see, that character got converted to that number, but it also makes an error in our program, and if our program was longer, it would stop. We will learn how to fix situations like that in other lessons, so don't worry. Okay, now let's train maybe a bit, and I write the program that will ask for name and surname, and we will welcome that person in our program. So how to do it? Let's just create string name and surname, and now let's ask a user of our program, enter your name. Cin name, and now let's ask him for the surname, enter your surname. Let's do it the clean way. Cin surname, and now let's welcome that guy that visited our program. Welcome name space and surname, and let's see how it works. So as you can see, our program is asking us for our name, so I'll type my name, and now I type my surname, and as you can see, it's greeting me, welcome Arek Włodarczyk, and that's working fine. Okay, that's all in the lesson, and thank you very much.